Today we want to talk about reason why your ex, that's your ex-boyfriend, ex nwa bobo, ex nwa baby, never gree leave you, never get over you. You see they stalk you, see they won't come around, one kind, based on your body. We could find out whether not true or not. Okay, as they talk, we go to tell me whether not true or been a lie. Okay, 0809 5975 808. Now we WhatsApp number 0809 5975 808. Now we WhatsApp number. Ring number na 0700 951 951 951 0700 951 951 95 and 1. All right, so make we start with people where their birthday fall between January 20 to February 18. If your birthday fall between January 20 to February 18, this na the reason why your ex see they walk around you. Your ex still never give up. Oh, he never give up on top your matter. You see the wish, the praise. Oh no. He say they say you fat, you be original, you be true cap, you know they do fake life, you too original, they judge people at all. Nah. No. And this na the reason why your ex been love you well. And then you dey sabi accept people the way them be, so you accepted your ex for who him be that time. Yes, so yeah. And that now waiting your ex now they deal with right now. Without you for in life, in they feel lonely because other people don't they look at the judge them up and that they know they agree accept them. You they love weird things and you they like things and way they out of the box. So that's your weird ex nwa bobo. That's your weird ex nwa baby. You shall accept them the way we be. Judge them nothing. You make them feel accepted. Other people they one day judge them up and down. They know they make them feel accepted. That is why I see the banner crocro around you. True or false? 0809 Now we WhatsApp number 0809 Now we WhatsApp number. Okay, all right, and make we rush enter people where they are by the fall between February 19 to March 20. People where they are by the fall between February 19 to March 20. They talk say the reason why your ex nwa bobo and nwa baby never see free you. They see they hustle you now because now you the person wey teach them how to be tender. Now you teach them how to love. Because why? You be very romantic woman being, you dey inspiring and you dey very sensual. You be somebody wey be say when you dey with somebody, you go use romance finish that person. And you been give your ex the best sex when you don't ever get for this in life. Nobody don't give that kind of sex for this in life like this. Your ex had the best sex with you when you don't ever been get. Most times they call your name when they with their new partner or other people. Instead when they call their new partner name, now your name they call. Even when for action, they call your name. True or false? 0809 That we WhatsApp number 0809 That we WhatsApp number. That now for people where they are by the fall between February 19 to March 20. Okay, so we can find out March 21 to April 19. Say you na very bold kind person now. You dey overbold, overbold they worry you. They fear anything. You dey fearless. You dey face challenge like this, like say tomorrow no day. And this thing na something wey your ex really love about you. You sabi how you just dey willing to just put yourself out there and go for it. You na goal getter. You dey set goal, you dey go. You see obstacle gbege no fit stop you. You dey unstoppable, be like locomotive train. And then you be make that relationship so fresh and sweet. Hey, that is why your ex never feel leave you. You see, they run, they try hustle you left, right, center. True or false? 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number that now for people where they are by the fall between March 21 to April 19. If your birthday fall between April 20 to May 20, research people talk say the reason why your ex never feel still leave you be say you na somebody wey dey very reliable. You your arms na the safest place for this whole wide world. If gbege dey sample for outside, when your ex come inside your arms na the safest place wey dem fit ever dey for this life wey dem dey. Your ex find plenty comfort for your presence. Even though they know they like to admit am, but now you be the only person wey dey ever make them feel like home. Yes. So it dey hard to replace you. That's why they are still they look for you left, right, center. True or false? 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number. And if your birthday fall between May 21 to June 20, and they say the reason why your ex still they find you up and down be say you will be somebody we like life. You are fun to be with. Now you go they come up with places to go, weird things to do. No. Life with you, no, they ever they boring at all. So your ex still they try to find somebody where fit still be like you, but no one compares. No one compares, man. True or false? 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number. Look, we find out the reason why people wait their birthday fall between June 21 to July 22nd. Ex see they hustle them. Research people talk say the reason why their ex see they hustle them, they hover around them like we're helicopter. They hover around. They say that because you be very incredible romantic partner. You dey gentle, you dey sensitive, you dey understanding. So your ex still thinks about that your patience. They think about that your sweetness, that's your smile. It dey impossible to get over being loved, as in truly loved by somebody like you. They never forget over them. True or false? 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number that now people that by the fall between June 21 to July 22nd. We move sharp to July 23rd to August 22nd. If your by the fall between July 23rd to August 22nd, this now why your ex never fit leave you. Your ex feel like say them be no deserve you. Yeah. They no fit get over how somebody will they so fine like you, so attractive, somebody will they so warm, go ever want person like them. You be the star. You've always been that star. You know, say you they like spotlights. They like today for spotlights. So they never feel understand why you look everybody for this bodo the world. Na them you can't see to what they fall in love with. It still they bother them. The feeling of say they no been there enough. Not the issue. It's not your issue, not their issue. True or false? 080959758808. Now we WhatsApp number. A whole star boy like you, a whole star one baby like you, he can't fall in love. They feel like say they no deserve you. That now for July 23rd to August 22nd. Now, August 23rd to September 22nd. They say why your ex never feel leave you be say, hey, you know you na Mr. and Mrs. Clean. Everything to about cleaning up, you shall like cleaning. You get eye for attention, for details. Sorry, you did very attentive, okay, to details. And you everything they like to clean up everything, even for them too. You they clean up for them. When they get days where they stressful for them, now you go help them clean up anything at all and finish up any work wey dem live, wey fit add more stress to the stress wey they already don get. You go don help them clean up all those things dem. Na you go fit buy them very thoughtful gifts just because dem bin get stressful day, just to make them ease off. You be Mr. and Mrs. Perfectionist. You like perfect, and this thing bin dey vex them that time. But somehow now, then they miss you. In fact, they miss you well. They miss everything about you. They miss how hard you tried with everything. They miss that part. True or false? 0809597580 now your WhatsApp number. Okay, that na for, and you be, when you been there with that your ex, you do and undo, as in you went above and beyond for them. You do everything for them just to make them feel loved. August 23rd to September 22nd. True or false? Okay, we go find out wetin they talk about September 23rd to October 22nd, people. They say the reason why your ex never see leave you, see they hustle you be peacemaker. You dey like make things dey in harmony. You no like trouble, you go do anything within your power to make sure say peace shall reign. You been bring balance to your partner. Without you, for their life, they just be like where they drown inside big river where plenty gbege full inside. Your love and the guidance where you been give them, been help them figure out things. Now without you like this, they feel like say they miss road, like they feel lost. You are very fair in everything. You dey very fair. You, oh no. You dey sabi see all sides to a situation. You be peacemaker. September 23rd to October 22nd. True or false? Okay. All right. 0809597580. Now we WhatsApp number. 0809597580. Now we WhatsApp number. Tell me what this is and what they talk. Whether not true or be not lie. Not true or be not lie. Mo could find out people where their birthday fall between October 23rd to November 21. They say people where their birthday fall between October 23rd to November 21. The reason why your ex see they run, they hustle you up and down, be say you not somebody with the independent. Yeah, you dey fierce and independent. You need to lose yourself at all for inside relationship. You know they forget yourself for inside relationship. This is something where they really make you really, really special. You get the ability to deal with someone, but still you go stay true to exactly who you are. Yes. Now you see your ex always being the one to, copy that thing about you, that ability where you been get. Him being try to hustle, copy him, make him be like you. Your ex been notice, see, your ex know say people fake well. Say fake people full everywhere, and say now you, they always dey real. In the midst of all the fake people, they notice say people fake, but you real die. And then respect that thing so much about you. That now why they see they try to find way back into your life. True or false? 0809597580. That your WhatsApp number. That now October 23rd to November 21. We could find out people where their birthday fall between November 22nd to December 21. Okay. Okay, so for these people, we am again. Okay, your ex never ever gets as much fun as he don't ever gets. As he don't ever gets when he day with you with any other person. You be very fun loving person. Your energy don't get part two. Every other person where they jam, no they inspiring. You just be like say the person no they all of them no they inspiring. All of them just lack force. They lack energy. Okay, they just they laid back, one kind. You come with full force, you come with plenty energy, and you get that spark, you get that flirty energy too, where they make anybody won't come close. Okay, and your ex always they think about the first time we two of a kiss. Mwah. True of us. 009597580 that we WhatsApp number. Another thing, okay, this now for people that buy the for between December 22nd and January 19. They say the reason why your ex never fit leave you now because your honesty no get part two. You are a very honest person. You dey responsible, you dey committed. You dey responsible, you dey loving and committed. Nobody they do relationship better than you. You be 100% the one person where everybody go want get relationship with. Okay, your ex no they ever forget that part, and the thing they make and want they wrong come back to you. They miss that part about you. True or false? 009597580 that we WhatsApp number. 08095975808 that we WhatsApp number. DJ you're from Germany say correct. Uzo September 7th. We love to be clean. Okay. All right. Adebayo from Ikoroduzo, thank you for your wonderful job. You are too much. Thanks a bunch. Auntie Uzo, my birthday na May 25. My ex-girlfriend, she's the first person that is with me. Okay. You shall they try talk say that true, but that's okay. Thanks a bunch for that way you said it. That side here. Who's on that true you talk? December 31st. Tayo from Ojo Barracks. Thanks a bunch. That's the way you said it. That east side here. My name now Motosho. David, good morning, Ozo. I've been listening to your program since last week, but today was the first time. Today now my first time chatting with you. I do enjoy your program. Thanks a bunch. Okay, so I get this number last. Yes, so but people around us don't get us. Our perfection do piss them off. In fact, they hardly trust everything about us until they lose us. Okay, all right. Say the research they very correct about August 23rd to September 22nd. Okay, 0700 951 951 95 and 1 0700 951 951 95 and 1, or you ring me for 014657180 014657180, or you ring me or you send me WhatsApp message for 0809597580 now we WhatsApp number 0809597580 now we WhatsApp number, and our Twitter and at Wazobia _FM at Wazobia _FM. Hello, good morning to you. Yes, Oga Emmanuel Zuzu Delicious.
Too much. You see, anytime I call for my name, I don't know whether I buy you baby good.
This baby good. This baby good. Everybody, they listen this morning. Hey, God.
Train and it's a sweet to train.
Hey, God.
I want to take you something. I go plug my phone. I was carrying the way. I know he had just June 11. I think.
June 11. La. May 21 to June 11. They say na be fun to be with people. Now they
oh my God.
Come up with places to go, things to do, weird things to do. Life without una no, in fact, na boring. But with una, it a day very, very, very fun. They say they find somebody we go ginger them like una. No,
all the class, make we clap Uzo. Oh my Uzo. God bless you. Yeah?
God bless you too. Morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Alpha.
I'm fine. Good morning, Auntie Uzo.
Good morning.
I'm Michael calling from Lagos.
Okay.
I'm part of the people from June to July.
Okay.
Yeah, what you said was true exactly about us. We always try to give in our best in our relationship, despite the fact that we know that some things our partners are doing are not right.
Okay.
We always try to still ignore them and try giving them the best. That kind of a person. Okay, my ex girlfriend, she did so much that I knew that it was bad in the relationship, but because of the love I had for her, I kept on tolerating the things she was doing, not until we broke the relationship, and that
Oh.
really hurt me a lot.
Oh.
So it's one of the major problems we all have. It, like we June and July.
Yeah.
That's it. That's the real truth about us. Okay. Thank you so much, Auntie
Thanks
Zo.
a bunch to you too. Morning. Hello, morning to you. Hello? You dey bath? Uh-uh. That person dey bath dey call us. Hmm. I for like know the part of him body when they wash when he call us. Hello, good morning to you.
With Angelic Cruiser.
Yes, sir.
I'm here once more.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. You are really correct. You're on point.
For which one? Which one is your birthday?
January 20. From
Aha.
January 20, following January 25.
Okay.
So you're on point. You're really, really on point. Well
Okay.
done, Woko.
Thanks a bunch. Mrs.
Oh,
Abraham.
you're up on your. Yes.
Okay.
You don't catch my voice. No, you're up on your head, dude.
You too, Mauroro. What you said is true because I like getting things outside, trying to make it in live. I don't fear anywhere. Ayodeji Kehinde, thanks a bunch. That's on what you sent. Enter inside here. All right. Hello, good morning to you. What's up to you?
Atizo,
Yes, please.
I put the category of June.
You say
I put into category of May to June.
May to June. So what did they talk now true on lie?
True that we like to ginger people when people see us, we like that they like.
Okay.
That's all. Yeah.
All right. Thanks a bunch. Morning to you.
What's up? Good morning again.
Good morning to you.
That's September. I don't know, Andrew.
Okay.
That's September. Me, I like clean. I like clean well. I mean, that's September. It's my own. No.
It's your own.
Yes, that's I like cleanness well. And then if I want to love you, I love you for all my mind.
Okay.
Like I never found. I just didn't get the search, you know.
Yeah, still searching. All right.
You know.
Single and searching. You're
I
a
tell you,
virgin or you are searching?
Huh?
You are a virgin or you are searching?
I'm searching. I'm not a virgin, no.
Man, I know whether you be virgin no.
I'm going to be true to be virgin.
I want to take measure the meter now.
No, I want. Therefore, I know.
Okay, don't worry. I'll have something where I will use to come measure them.
No, by God, maybe December. I will have time in December. I will measure me well.
Come over that place. Hello, good morning to you.
Hi, Atuza.
Hey, what's up to you, man?
Yeah. My name is Sinaza from Lekki.
Welcome. Naza chukuchuku.
No, leave me alone.
Chukuchuku Chinaza.
Atuza,
Yes, please.
please help me for the October 23rd.
October 23rd.
Yes.
Okay. Where you there when I talk? Where you put your ear? October 23rd to 21st of December and November. They say the reason why your ex still they hustle you. Now because say you na somebody where they very independent. When you dey inside relationship, you go love but you know they lose yourself inside relationship. And this thing make you really, really special. The ability to dey with somebody, but you go still stay true to yourself. You know they be fake person at all. Your ex know say plenty fake people dey this world, but you they always dey real. And this na something where they try to copy. Your ex they try to copy this ability where you get and then respect you so much for this thing. Now why they see the hustle you, true or false?
Confirm.
Morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Answer my own for me.
Oh, sure. Triple Chief just hungry to find my trouble today. Good morning to all the class. Okay, he said by day na 24th, and what he said is true. My ex is once okay. Emmanuel from Maryland. Make we shall leave her like that. Thanks a bunch, okay? Hey, Tony said today na him birthday. Tony from Ilasa, happy birthday to you. Correct talk for the people where their birthday fall between 4 for January 20 to February. For me and my ex never won't let me go. Well done, Auntie. You are doing a great job. Thanks a bunch. Who's on that row? I, Emmanuel Agency. I am good for everything such as cooking. I am romantic. I make sense anytime. Okay, and I say the text all the way from Jibo. Thanks a bunch. Okay, and good morning, my sweet sister Uzo Marama. Seriously, you said it all. June born, very fun to be with you. You are doing a wonderful job. Correct, able therapist. Love you too, and remain blessed. Oluchi from Barracks. This is Chisom from Bogije, and June, and the guy that called said it all. It's very true. June born. Okay, and you say for January and September, you are 100% correct. Well done, work. Thanks so much. Uzo, it's true. About August, my ex once told me that I don't deserve someone like him. Ayomide from Papa and Uzo, give me kiss because. Mwah. Okay, I got your WhatsApp number today. Yay! All right, so you're the best. Thanks a bunch. I'll be June 28th, and he say, "What did they talk? Not true." Okay, good morning, Auntie Uzo. I am confident from Satellite Town. You are right. So we were there born from November 22nd to December 21. It's real. Okay, thanks so much. That's all we said at that east side here. Okay, please, ma. What's the research talk about October 22nd? No, wait, I just not finished now. Wait, make us see whether I will come back to you later. Okay, Uzo, you're absolutely correct. So January 9, okay, is my date. Okay. October 22nd, people. So between September 23rd to October 22nd, they talk say una be people wey be say una be peacemaker. Anywhere wanna go, na sha they like to find balance, peace, make peace, harmony, they reign. Okay, yes, una always they look to make peace reign as possible. See, una they try una best to make sure say peace reign. And una bring balance to una partner life. Yes, that na ex una be bring balance to your life. And without you like this, it be like where they drown inside big river. Where they sample them left, right, center. The kind of love and guidance so you been give them that time, being help them sabi figure out things. Now without you for their life, just be like say they lost. True of us. 0809-597-5808. WhatsApp number. Good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
First time calling to your show.
Mwah.
Funny enough, I've just started listening to your show from yesterday.
Since yesterday. Wow.
Yes.
How has the journey been? The
I
journey.
couldn't wait for today to reach for you to this thing again.
That's been having fun since yesterday. Good.
September 8th.
Yeah.
And funny enough, my wife to be is September 4th.
Correct.
And what you are just saying, Mr. and Mrs. Perfect, you don't want to agree for each other. This, and when you come up, talk of cleanliness, and this so you are too much.
Thanks so much.
You are too much.
Thanks so much.
Thank you for your loving work.
Thanks so much. All right, and Maureen talks say, until September 18, and it's true, I love with everything in me, and I go to any lengths to help people. Okay, thanks a bunch. All right, finally, I don't get this your number. Nice job, Ada from Amu. Thanks a bunch. Hello, morning to you.
Hello, and Susan, good morning.
Good morning.
This is T-Boy.
This is who?
T-Boy.
Chi boy.
Yeah, for
All
me
right.
too.
Chi
And
boy.
so,
Mm-hmm.
thank you. God bless you
God
for
bless
your
you
good
too.
work. I really appreciate your work.
Okay.
And so, I
Masa.
find my missing link from your show.
Oh, you found your missing rib here.
Seriously, and so I'm very happy and grateful for not life for you.
Wow.
I'm very happy,
Aw.
seriously happy that yes, you are still ah, I don't know how to go. I don't know how to. No, like,
Hey, yeah. Hello.
I so much love your show.
When did I find yourself?
Hey, this month, sir.
This month.
This month.
This May where we did.
Yes,
And
yes.
you guys are having fun.
Exactly, and love each other.
Hey, yeah. Hey. Nobody don't love you the way she they love you like this.
Until so, she own pass my own. I not feel like, until so, God bless.
I they catch cruise.
Until so, thank you, God bless you. Until so,
God bless your
I really appreciate
relationship.
your work.
Make Baba God there
Thank you.
grant your heart desires. Okay, both of
Amen,
our heart desires. All right.
Amen. And you too, until so.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I wish you all the best. Mwah. Now don't hear amo. Now this May don't you hook don't catch. Okay, so in few minutes now we're going to enter the hookup level for the single guys and we're ready to mingle. So if you know what they do, if it be you. All right, I like this Saturday where they come now. We get about 3 weddings. Okay, we go up only in one day, and all of them meet for here. I think 2 is in Lagos and 1 is outside Lagos. We go happen today. I know say 1 they send me reminder almost every day. That one is so happening somewhere in Ejibo. Yeah, he's always sending me reminder. Always sending me somewhere in Ejibo. Yeah, it go happen somewhere in Ejibo. So, do I feel fulfilled? Yeah. Am I happy? Yeah. More. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, Tozo.
You find your Ogun State.
Amiyo. Well done for your good work.
Thanks a bunch.
God bless you.
Bless you too.
My own now. August to 13. I don't know. I go peace before by then.
Why you no go peace?
I wake up and say, make I go peace before.
Why you no go peace now? August 13, they say between July 23rd to August 22nd, people, why your ex never still feel leave you now because say then look who say star boy like you. Hey, oh star boy like you. Wait till you look finish. You look everybody where they this obodo the world as you fine like this. You can't be saying that them. You won't call they fall in love. They feel like say them no deserve you. Like say they know they good enough for you. Because you they attractive. Everybody wants you. Now you be the star. Everybody wants you, but you can't fall in love for them. This way they bother them why you look in the whole world. Come be saying that they will not reach anything. They say you are too good for them.
Yes.
They say them not rich. So I don't answer you. Yes. Lucy as they blush. Yes. Yeah. Ugo Chuku. You see, Tuesday, you're too much. Thanks a bunch. Morning to you.
Yeah, good morning, Auntie.
How are you?
Fine, ma. You propose, you know, pick my color.
For where I see number.
Yeah, my name is Sharif. I'm calling from Golden.
Okay, welcome.
Auntie, please tell me more about June.
Which number you be for June?
June 12.
June 12. Maybe I just talk June finish now.
No money, Jerry. I know the for Jerry.
May 21 to June 12, to June 20, on a day fun to be with. Now, they sabi bring adventure for inside the relationship. Tell na partner, let's do this weird thing today. Tomorrow, let's do this weird thing tomorrow. Life without una the day boring. So your
Okay,
ex.
but why not they get serious relationship now?
You say?
You know they get serious relationship with.
Why you know they get serious relationship?
Yes, now.
I don't know. Why you know
But I
they
don't
get
see that
now?
All the Jews friends who are get, you know they get serious relationship. I don't know.
All your June friend know they get serious relationship.
Yes, now.
Well, you know sure say whether no be because of this one are fun to be with, whether this one are weird adventure for weird things. Some June people don't marry you. Me, I don't know about you, Sha. Some June people they
me, I never marry. I still be virgin.
That's it. Your
But
penis, your penis never go anywhere.
Hmm?
Your penis never go anywhere, and you don't get 4 children. My grandmama will die self na virgin.
I think thank you, God bless you.
Go and find somewhere and dig your penis. Leave me, Biko. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, Antuso. Yes, Boniface is on the line.
Boniface, how far?
Yes, I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
I have something I want you to do for me. I beg. I won't make you help me do something.
What's that?
So,
Won't propose to your woman?
My first daughter, she was born May 5th. Then my second daughter was born on May 31st. And this month is their birthday. I went to do. Just help me wish them happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday to them.
Thank you very much. And myself, I was born on the March 5th. So what you said is the real.
Okay. You know what you go do for me? Tomorrow now, we go do by day shout out tomorrow by 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock for Saturday jolly tomorrow morning.
Okay.
So make sure say you send me message with their name, then we could do the proper by day shout out for them. Yeah.
Thank you very much. You're blessed, mommy. Thank
You're
you very
blessed
much.
too. All right. Take care.
Yeah.
Morning to you.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Mommy happiness landlady, how are you?
Susan.
Yes.
Now you go they play music, come make a be I can't sleep. Oh.
Hey. So as for no play music.
Play music, now I can't sleep. Oh. I just wake up now. Now February 21.
February 21. Landlady, as the landlady that you are now.
Thank you, Karen. You learn fast.
Very fast, you. This type of thing, they quick learn now.
Thank you.
There's some people where they are buying the phone between February 19 and March 20. Why your ex never feel leave you now? Because, hey, God. Nobody don't ever give them sex like you before. Now you give them the best sex for this life. Now you teach them how to love because you are very loving and romantic. You are sensual and you dey inspiring. Nobody don't write them the way mommy happiness don't write them before for this life. Nobody don't do somersault on top of them like you don't somersault on top of them.
Oh God.
Yeah.
You see, sometimes when you go to talk about X, I can't imagine because me I'm not sure I get X. So.
They present. All of them they present for your life.
Because if you talk of X, anytime I jam them for road, we'll see the.
When I go start from where una stop.
They know the green stop. They know the green go.
Landlady.
You know the green go.
Landlady. You position yourself. You position yourself. Morning to you.
Good morning.
Morning, how now?
I'm fine, ma. It's been a while.
Abio, where you go now? They here. Where you go?
I miss you. It's normal from Spain then.
I miss you, dear. Mwah.
I have a good news for you. First of all, I want to start with good news.
Oh, yeah, start with the good news. But wait. Make your line clear so that this good news go enter well. Yeah.
Is it better now?
Yes, it don't better small now. Let's go. Good news.
You can remember very well. I did about 4 years back.
You did hook up 4 years back. Hey.
Yes.
4 years back. That's 2019.
Yeah, I think.
Because at 2019, I start to work for this
I
night.
did.
Okay.
So, from that hookup, I was able to fix myself up.
Okay.
So, for a long time now, I've not called, neither have I attended to any of my programs because I traveled.
Okay.
So, my hookup landed me in Trinidad.
Your hookup
landed me out of the country.
Out of the country? Hey!
Yes. about Chinaya?
Wait. Chinaya is very fine. You say your hookup land you outside of the country. Huh?
Mommy clean Abi.
They are all fine.
Many of them, but I can't remember many of their names.
They are all fine. Eh?
I just came back about 2 weeks back.
You just came back from Trinidad.
Yes, ma.
2 weeks ago. How is your husband?
He's fine. He's coming back this December, sha.
This November.
This December.
Now you go. Hey, you two hook up, then match you. Come off from Nigeria, go Trinidad.
I think I sweet pass you.
You say?
He sweet me pass you.
He sweet you, but no, forget. Now me sweet pass you, no understand.
We tried this life for long.
Hey,
You don't
yeah.
pick my calls. Most times, if I call to say something, you don't pick up. Then I want. Well, I'm not the only one trying the number.
Yeah.
I got married.
You say?
Oh, no, I got married. No, you don't know.
No, as in you go Trinidad. Hell, Jesus Christ. Since 2019, you have been in Trinidad. You just came back 2 weeks ago.
It was very, very complicated as of that point because messages, calls, and all that. If you don't take time, you'll be confused.
Hey, yeah.
But thank God for everything.
So now
yeah?
don't born children now.
Never born anything. Only one.
Only- Oh, now only one and I love one.
Only one.
Your husband may be sharpshooter. Now make it sharpshoot you too.
Oh, we are going to now we plan.
Oh, okay. Now they do child spacing. Okay.
Okay, we plan our way. Does not end it.
You don't get my number, yeah. Collect my. No, I need to ask you further questions.
Okay, should I write it down?
What right away? Make her collect your own, so I go, or make her call my own for you.
Anyone that I can do now, better.
Oh yeah, ma, make sure say you send me WhatsApp message you. Hold on, let me call it.
Yes, ma.
Yeah, man. What want us? As I wake up for money, and as I do my daily hustle, I got no trouble, cause I listen to 95.1, and I dey chook mouth on a regular. 95.1 is spectacular, and my whole day you don't sell and say, number one chook mouth to spectacular. Oh yeah, make we go,
Robot man, Cheche, madam, where's this her name?
Lolo, one of every.
I miss everybody.
We miss
that. Bye-bye.
Hey, yeah, talk to you later. Take care.
Bye.
Aha. So, 2 testimonies where you don't hear with your ear. Okay. When I say it's happening here, you say That's how somebody called me the other day. Say now so they come whisk one baby come up from here, carry and go Holland. Okay, now they marry her for Nigeria. The one babo they for Holland. He come carry one baby from here, whisk him away to Holland. She just said she just came back from Trinidad since 2019. Hey, now for here they meet you. No be from another place. It's here. It's real. If you know what you they do, you go see what you they find. But if you don't know what you they do, you no go see what you they find. Ina back na so they go follow you they balak. If you stay one place, they go follow you stay one place. If you shine your eyes well, you go see the goldfish where you they find. Plenty fish there for river, but see that goldfish where you they find. If you open your eye well, you go see them. It dey here. In at the last bus stop. If you don't hear with your ear now, back to back. So cook up go soon start now. Now that time now, some of you go come they sound like who they hope for truth. It's not my it's not me, it's you. The ball is in your court. How you decide to play it in your hand. It in your hand though. It in your hand. When I dey tell people say I don't lose count of how many weddings. I know somebody ask me, say how many have we done this year? I say even this year alone. Now this is just May. Even this year, I've lost count. How many weddings we don't happen this year? Now May we do. We have lost count. And all of them are to the glory of Baba Godel. Now Baba Godel they do and people they see am. Now Baba Godel they make it happen. People they see am. We they rejoice because it's a beautiful thing. And then so far so good by the special grace of Baba Godel. All the people they we don't marry so far, they don't get regret. So they are living. They are happy. They are happy. Like they are so happy. You go they see, you they feel the joy. The joy they intoxicating. They contagious. That's the word. The joy they contagious. They infectious. Like you go want follow them happy. They happy. You understand? So, baby, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. Where open your ear. Guys go talk now from now till 4 o'clock. It in your hand to celebrate which one meets waiting you define. Wetin be the criteria where you want make the onwa bobo gets. Oh yeah, listen well as in they talk. They talk about themselves. If they meet wetin you dey find, they go leave contacts. As in they leave their contacts, make yourself do wetin, make you do the needful. As they leave their contacts, make yourself do the needful with their contacts. Yes. But you self we go talk with confidence, because the people where they listen to you, they listen to you from different parts of obodo the world. They listen to you from within Nigeria or outside Nigeria. They listen to you. Some people they listen for their sister, some they listen for their mama, some they listen for their auntie, some they listen for their daughters. That's why I go always talk, say the hook up they open to whether it be single father, whether it be widower. Because people get different needs. Whether it be widower and you don't ready to remarry or ready to have a relationship, come. You don't divorce, but you officially divorced. We don't talk about people where they separated. Though. Officially divorced. You go come. You say, okay, you are ready now. You won't remarry or you want to have a relationship. Come. Bachelor, you won't have a relationship. You want to marry. Come. Single father, and you know say you don't cut ties with the person wey bump your baby mama, come as you are. We get every category of the people where you define their age grade, your age grade where you define them they here. The tribe where you define them they listen to you. The religion where you define them they listen to you. So then they listen to you. Now for you to just open that your mouth and sample yourself well, that's all. Sound confident. No, they sound one-on-one. If you don't want one for my, I go cut you off. Oh. No time for joke. Open mouth. No like that they rub hand for belly. They follow us, they talk. This is serious business. It's no joke. If you go sound like a joker, we go free you. Make a pick call of person wey sound like person wey no waiting in defined. This is no jokers club. From now till 4, tell us your name. If you need to write them for paper, arrange your thoughts together. Gather your thoughts together. No problem. Arrange them for paper. Write them as you want to talk. By the time when you call me, read them like scripts. But you need to sound interesting. Make your talk sweet for ear and use the words then paint picture for the head of the person where they listen to. So the one people go to say, oh more, and now this guy I won't collect a number. Me, I won't see this guy. No, I must see this guy. Arrange your talk, make it be like that. 08095975808. Now your WhatsApp number. 08095975808. Now your WhatsApp number. Feel very free to also put your picture. If you want to put your picture for people, go send me WhatsApp message, okay? And then please tell us your social media handle. Join. Contact details, okay? Tell us your name, tell us sweet things about yourself, your strengths. Talk to us about them, the kind of lady where you go like to hook up with, age, genotype, blood group. No lie about your genotype and blood group. You don't know it, you don't know it. It's okay, it's fine. When you and your person start on a relationship, make sure say una go do una genotype and blood group test. Chicken. If they work, if they do business, be truthful about it. All right? 0700 951 951 951 0700 951 951 951, Or you feed send me tweet at Twitter handle at @wazobia_FM, or you ring me for 014657 014657 or you ring me for 0700 951 and 1. Will you come back? No touch this time.
This na hookup segment with Uzo. On top Pillow Talk for 95.1 Wazobia FM.
Hey, excuse me, young lady, let me tell you something.
Why shouting?
Hello, I'm talking to you.
What?
Okay, no problem. No, just be going, it's okay.
Wait now.
Hey. Single, I've been searching. I want to mingle. Me ò tí marry.
Single, as he's searching. You want to mingle. Kò lè marry. All because of all because of all because of say your baby know where you there so.
Where you there so?
Oga.
Morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Anna.
I'm fine.
Adele, what's up to you?
I'm good.
Correct.
My dear, you be better vibe. No.
Thanks so much.
Anyway, my name is Ndubisi.
Ndubisi?
Yes.
Okay.
From Ebonyi State.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm a graduate from University of Lagos.
Mm-hmm.
So I am tall, healthy, but then the other type I did not really know. So I did not really know. So then I'm a teacher, a secondary school teacher.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
So I'm a secondary school teacher, and the kind of person I want is a person who does not smoke. Hello?
Go ahead, please.
Okay. So I want a person who does not smoke or drink alcohol. Can be from any tribe. I don't take alcohol either.
Okay.
So I want a person who does not smoke, who does not drink. So, however, I want a serious person.
Okay.
Hello?
Go ahead, please.
Because I remember there was a time, let me just tell you this. So, there was a third person I met recently. Then. So, what happened is we went to the first day that we went out in. Also, come see you. Ordering this one, I did not even look at I said you should meet. You don't even check my pocket. You don't know how to take this. You just order this one. Okay, bring this. No, and that was the first day. Initially, I wanted to.
Okay. Shebi the talk where you go tell us how we go take contact you. Now they talk with him, waiting no concern us.
Okay. Please, I just want you a serious person, not. So that's the minute. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
So can I call my contact now?
Okay.
My phone number. 070 59
Mm-hmm.
49
Mm-hmm.
56
Mm-hmm.
07.
Call him again.
070
Mm-hmm.
59
Mm-hmm.
49
Mm-hmm.
56
Mm-hmm.
07.
All right. Good luck to you, Ndubisi. Morning to you.
Good morning.
Please speak up, yeah?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. My name is John Bulu.
John. All right.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here to hook up. First time caller for.
Mwah. That now for your right cheek.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
I'm here for a hookup.
Go ahead, please.
My blood group is positive. My gender is AA.
Hey, yeah, your line they shake. Oh.
My blood group is O positive. My genotype is AA.
Okay.
I'm tall. I'm fair.
Okay.
Like smiling. I'm at the age of 27. I'm not 27. I'll be at the 27 maybe next. So I would like to hook up, but I'm working class. I work as a driver.
Okay.
I base in Lagos.
Okay.
So I would like
All right.
from 25 to 30.
Your line just a breaky.
Okay. Hook up with a from 25 to 30. That's the number.
Go ahead, please. Your line they break seriously.
Okay. 081.
Okay.
54
Mm-hmm.
54
Mm-hmm.
8314.
Talk him again.
081
Mm-hmm.
5454
Mm-hmm.
8314.
All right. Good luck to you. Morning to you.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Welcome.
Hello.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome,
Yes,
Magami.
ma'am. This is Chike, ma'am.
Oh, Chike.
Hello.
Oh, Chike. I
This
didn't
is
hear
Chike
you.
on the line, Chike.
Jide. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, Jide. Go ahead, please.
Please, I want to hook up, ma'am.
Hook it.
Hello.
Jide, go ahead, please.
I want to hook up. My name is Chike. So I'm from Kwara State.
All right.
Living in Lagos here.
Okay.
So I want to hook up. Though I didn't know my genotype and my blood group for now.
Mm.
So I'm tall. I'm son. I have open teeth. I'm a Uber driver.
Okay.
So I want to hook up with a lady from Igala or Hausa. I didn't know Yoruba ladies.
Okay, Igala or Hausa lady. Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Hello?
Is that all?
Yes. Can I call my number?
Okay, before they call number, how far? You know the social media?
090.
You know they for social media, you know they Facebook.
You say what?
You know they for Facebook.
No. I use small phone. I didn't use big phone.
Small phone no mean say make you know they for Facebook. You can be on Facebook and not be active, but you have a Facebook account.
No, I never used big phone before, so that's
for this
why.
life where you come. Wow. Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay. 090. 23 59 87 02.
Call him again.
090 23 59 87 02.
Okay. Good luck to you. All right, and I make a chukai for WhatsApp because you see, if we no be small, oh. Good morning, also. My name is Otuokong, Otuekong. Sam, I'm from Akwa Ibom State. I'm 30 years old. I stay at Mafuluku Shodi. I'm a driver. I'm an easygoing person. I love cooking and I'm romantic. I need a humble lady for a serious relationship. She should be between 20 to 29 years, a working class lady or a business lady. She must not be too short or too tall. All right, I like average height from any parts of the country. My name on Facebook is Otue Kong Uwem on Facebook. I go spell it for you because I'm not even sure I pronounce that name well. Otuekong. Otuekong space Uwem. Uwem. Okay. Otuekong Uwem from Facebook. And say if you send WhatsApp message for 0813 342 9055 0813 342 9055. Now you be this one the photo. If I shall wear some shades. Please make una they give me detailed information. No, they just they give me one line. Give me full information. No, they send me one line. We no just carry water. Put information there. It makes it easier. Morning to you.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, Auntie Uzo. Good morning.
What's up to you? What's up to you, man?
You deserve a bottle of champagne and a brand new Hyundai.
My brother, come and champagne me now. It's weekend. Come and champagne me. It's weekend.
Your work. God bless you.
God
I
bless
really
you
appreciate you.
God bless you too.
Yes. My name is Femi.
Femi.
Yeah, from Lagos State.
Okay, Femilicious.
I'm a construction engineer.
Okay.
Yes, I love traveling a lot. I love reading. And I'm a very good swimmer.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So I'd like to hook up with an Hausa lady. Or from any tribe. If she's an Hausa lady, I'll give her a red carpet too.
No, be small something.
If not,
Okay.
any other tribe is welcome. I'm not tribalistic.
Okay.
That's just.
But
me
your
for
first choice now, Hausa lady.
Now, Hausa lady.
Yeah.
But any other tribe welcome, make them welcome. I know anybody from Antiuzo is a very good person.
By the grace of God.
Exactly. So can I call out my contact number?
Is that all about you? Tell us some sweet.
Yeah, I'm dark in complexion. I'm tall.
Now you're talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
My genotype is AA.
Okay.
My blood group is O positive, I guess.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So what again, Auntie Uzo?
What about, do you have hair on your legs? Is it curly hair, straight hair, or wavy hair?
No, straight hair.
So many dimples.
No, fresh boy, you Auntie Uzo, fresh boy.
Now you're talking.
Fresh from the yard.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, go ahead, please.
I also love music.
Okay.
Yes.
So you go they sing for the Nwa baby.
Yeah, and I want. She go hear music, she go dance.